Hello children, welcome back to the English class. Children, in today's class, I'm going to start the new lesson that is Nibble and Squeak. Okay, so in this lesson, we are talking about the two mice. Okay, so here, before going to the lesson, I'll say you a small story related for this lesson. Okay, children. So let us listen the story now. Are you ready? Yes, children. Children, you can see the picture drawn on the board. What are the picture you can see here? Yes, mouse picture. Okay, so here you can see a little mouse. A little mouse name is Nibble who lived in the field. Okay, Nibble is a small mouse. Okay, who lived in the field. Okay, this Nibble's cousin. Nibble's cousin. The name is Squeak. The Squeak lived in the city. Where did the Squeak live? Squeak lived in the city. Okay. One day what happened? This Nibble invited Squeak to his house for the dinner. Okay. So the Squeak went to the Nibble house for the dinner. So Nibble gave some wheat and rice seeds for the Squeak for the dinner. Okay, here what happens? Squeak, when he saw that dry seeds and wheat as a dinner, he was thinking, he was not comfortable with that. Okay, he was thinking, what he thought that if anybody invites us for the dinner, what we will think first? We are thinking, oh, they may prepare these dishes, they may prepare good food, sweets, like that all we will think, right children? Like that, even the Squeak thought that Nibble will give some special things to eat. But the Nibble gave only the wheat and dry seeds as a dinner. So after some time, when he saw this dry seeds and wheat, Squeak told for the Nibble that, brother, how you're living is not well at all. Once you come to the city and see me how I'm living in the city. Okay? Then afterwards you will say that you will be there. You won't come back to the field. Like that, the Squeak will say for the Nibble. Okay? After some days, this Nibble went to meet Squeak in the city. Squeak took the Nibble to the kitchen and showed the place where he is going to live. Okay, in the kitchen cupboard. Afterwards, he took the Nibble to the down shelf of the cupboard and there they had kept the sugar bag, sugar sack. So what the Squeak did, they nibbled the sack and started eating the sugar. When they started eating the sugar, this Nibble thought that, wow, how nicely my cousin is living in the city. I never ate the sweet thing before. So it's very nice to eat the sugar. I never ate so much sweet thing in my life. So he will be thinking like that. Suddenly what happened? A door opened. Okay? The kitchen door has been opened. So now what happened? This Squeak will say Nibble to run. Okay, he whispered. Whispered means saying softly. Okay, saying slowly and softly. Okay, run, he will say, squeak for the nibble. As soon as he told to run, the nibble and squeak both ran into the hole where they were living. Okay, they heard. So what happened here? The nibble started shivering itself. He was shivering his body because he was scared. What has happened? He was scared. Okay, then the squeak will say, don't worry, after the cook leave the kitchen, we will go out. Okay, so first after some time, the cook left the kitchen and went. So Squeak took the nibble on the top of the shelf. Okay, he took the nibble on the top of the shelf where the grapes has been stood. Okay, there they will see the grapes. Grapes you all know, children? Yes. What are those grapes? The fruits. Okay, how it tastes? It tastes sour as well as sweet. Yes, so children, everybody we likes to eat the grapes. Okay, so this week took the nibble on the top shelf. There, what happened? The nibble saw the bowl of grapes. Okay, then they started to tug the grapes. Okay, so tugged means pulled something very hard. They tugged. Finally, they got the grapes. They start to eat the grapes. Then the nibble told that even it is also better. Okay, like the sugar both they ate first, it's better than eating the grapes also. Suddenly, when they were eating, a sound, loud sound came. Meow. What was the sound came here? Meow. Okay, what makes the meow sound, children? Yes, you are right. Pussycat. What happens? Here, suddenly the pussy has come. So what happened here? This nibble was asking for the squeak. What is the sound? So squeak told it, shh, don't make any noise. Now we will run. So after listening that, they both ran again into the hole. Okay. Then afterwards, what happened? This nibble will say for the squeak that they went into the hole and they saw that a big pussy has come there. Okay. Then so that the nibble told to the squeak that, brother, I will leave now. I will go to the field where I'll get a dry fruit and wheat. But I can have my food in peace. Here I can't live. I don't want to live in the city. Why? Because each and every time we should get frightened. Right, children? So we cannot eat our food in peace. So I will go to the field. Okay, where my life was comfortable. He will say these words to the squeak and he leaves the city and went back to the field. Okay, children, how was the story? Did you enjoy the story, children? Yes. Now, let us read the textbook now. Open page number 75. Lesson number 7. Nibble and squeak. Nibble and squeak. Okay, shall we read this? Yes. Nibble was a little mouse who lived in a small field. Okay, what was the little mouse name who lived in the field? Nibble. Okay, Nibble was a little mouse who lived in a small field. His cousin Squeak lived in the city. One day, Nibble invited Squeak to his house. What do you mean by this? His cousin Squeak. Where did he live? He lived in the city. Okay. So one day, Nibble invited Squeak to his house. They sat down for dinner. Nibble put some wheat and seeds in front of Squeak. Squeak was surprised to see the simple food. So what happened? They sat. Okay, he invited Squeak to his house. No, now they sat down for the dinner. So this Nibble put some seeds and wheat in front of the Nibble. So Squeak was surprised. Squeak was surprised. What is this? Very simple food you are giving to me. Okay, he was surprised to see the simple food. Squeak said, Brother, you do not live well at all. You should see how I live. I have all sorts of fine things to eat every day. You must come to visit me and see how nice it is to live in the city. Now what this Squeak will say? What are the words Squeak will tell to the Nibble? Yes. Brother, you do not live well. Means you are not living your life well here. So once you have to come to the city and you should see me how I am going to live in the city. I will get all sorts of fine things. Means all the things which is very tasty to eat. Okay, all sorts of things I will get there. Okay, then I am going to have those type of things. Okay, every day in my life. So he is saying to come to the city. Okay, who is saying? Squeak is telling. For whom the Squeak is calling to the city? For the Nibble. Okay, why did he call? Why the Squeak told Nibble to come to the city? Why means? Because the Squeak is thinking that he is not living the life well in the field. Okay, so he is calling to come to the city here. Let us see what happens. So Nibble went to the city to meet the Squeak. So afterward, Squeak showed him the kitchen cupboard where he lived. On the lowest shelf was a big bag of sugar. Squeak nibbled a hole in the bag. What happened? He took the nibble and he took the nibble where? To the kitchen and showed him where Squeak was living. Okay. So on the lowest shelf, okay, on the lowest shelf of the cupboard, there was a big bag of sugar. Okay, big bag of sugar. What this Squeak will do? Squeak will nibble and make the hole in the sugar bag. The two little mice ate the sugar. So now the two little mice ate the sugar. Nibble thought he had never tasted anything so sweet in his life. How lucky Squeak is, he thought. What he will think now? This Nibble will think that, okay, when they started to eat the sugar, this Nibble will think, so sweet. I have never tasted in my life so sweet. Okay, so he thought that Squeak is, how lucky this Squeak is. Okay, every day we'll get some fine things to eat. Right now, children? So he will be thinking that. Next, what happens? We will see. Suddenly, when they were eating, what they are doing now? The two little mice were eating the sugar. Suddenly, the door opened and the cook came in. Run, whispered Squeak. So when they were eating, suddenly a cook came into the kitchen. So what the Squeak will say? He whispered, run. Okay. They quickly ran into a little hole in the kitchen wall. Nibble was shaking all over, but Squeak said, she will soon go away and then we can go back. Now what happened? What happened? They ran no into the little hole in the kitchen wall. This Nibble was shaking all over. He was scared now. Okay. So Squeak will say, don't worry. Soon she will go back. Okay. When she go back, we will go again. Okay. Next. After the cook left, Squeak took Nibble into a corner on the top shelf. A big bowl of large grapes stood on the shelf. They tugged and pulled. At last, they got a large grape out of the bowl. The grape was even better than the sugar. What happens here? After the cook left the kitchen, they both, Squeak took the nibble. Where did he will take? He will take to the top shelf. Okay, what they can see on the top shelf? They can see a large grapes, big bowl they can see. In that they can see the large grapes on the shelf. Okay, so here they tugged and pulled the grapes. They tugged and pulled the grapes. At last they got a large piece of grapes. Okay, next the grape was even better than the sugar. So that means the Nibble was saying that the grapes also better than the sugar to have. All at once there came a sharp, loud meow. Okay, as I told you, what was that? Said Nibble. So, at all once, this Nibble and Squeak, they are keeping the grapes not to eat. So at all once, what happened? A loud meow has come. What is this meow? What is this meow? Yeah, the big pussy has come there. Pussy cat, you know, no children? Pussy cat. What is the sound of the pussy cat? What sound it makes? Meow. Okay. Suddenly when they heard, Nibble heard the sound, no? So he will ask for the stick. What is this? So when Nibble has this, Squeak told, shh. Squeak whispered. They ran as fast as they could to the hole. They looked at the big cat. So when they heard the sound, Nibble asked the Squeak, what is this? So the Squeak told, shh means silence. Make silence, we will tell no like that. Shh, he will say. And they both ran into the hole. Okay, afterwards they saw a big cat. Okay, Nibble said, brother, I will go home. I want to eat my dry seeds in peace. I do not want to eat sugar and grapes and be frightened all the time. So here what happened? Nibble said, finally the Nibble said to the Squeak, brother, I will go home. I don't want to stay here. Okay, I don't want to stay here because I'll go to my home and whatever I'll get, the wheats and seeds, I will eat the seeds and wait peacefully. Here I can't live my life every time, every minute frightening. Okay. So Nibble went back to his home in the field. So what happened at last? Nibble went back to his home. What we will understand from this lesson now, children? What do you understand? What do you understand? Yes, whatever we'll get, we have to eat in the peace. Okay, every time frightening and eating, what is the use living in the city life? Yes, no, children. If we could not able to eat his food peacefully, then what is there in the city? Yes, no, children. Here, see the difference. Nibble was eating seeds and wheat in the field, in his home. Is no what is to get? It may be seeds and wheat. Okay, it's not a special thing. Okay, it's a simple food. But the simple food also you used to eat in peace. Here, the squeak used to get a different type of fine things to eat. But here, Squeak could not able to eat his things peacefully, to eat his food peacefully. Got it? Do you understood the lesson, children? Everyone? Yes. Now let us read the meanings of this lesson. Okay. The first meaning is invited. What do you mean by invited? Ask someone to come over to one's house. Okay, what do you mean by invited? To ask someone to come over to one's house. Okay, once again, invited, ask someone to come over to one's house. Okay, next, tugged. What do you mean by tugged? Pulled something hard. What do you mean by tugged? Pulled something hard. Okay, next, whispered. Whispered. Whispered means speak very softly. Whispered means speak very softly. Peace. What do you mean by peace? A time when there is no trouble. Peace means a time when there is no trouble. Okay, children, now you understood the meanings? Okay, fine, children. Now we have completed this lesson, Nibble and Squeak. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.